How to merge and unmerge cells in Microsoft Excel. In your Microsoft Excel sheet, select the cells that you want to merge. Click on Merge and Center. Now the cells are merged and centered. Need to unmerge the cells. For that, again select the cells that you want to unmerge. And then click on the drop down of merge and center, unmerge cells. Now this is how you can unmerge the cells again. Now let's take a look at one more example. Here are the 5 cells with same value in the form of column. So let's try to merge this. Merge and center. So it gives us a warning while we merge the cell. So the only values that will be copied is the upper left. So this particular cells will be shown on the merged new cell. So click on OK. So this is how you can merge the cells in the column and with the value. Well done. Thank you.